well, here we go. We're finally using the GoPro. I was able to get the stick to attach. I just wanted to give a little tour of my current apartment. So don't feel bad. I am gonna get more stuff from Germany. It's also just starter furniture, but yeah, this is the current setup since about mid to late November. So here, got the used TV from the family. I got this box from someone I used to know. Here we got a coffee table from my brother from his old apartment. Here, that's gonna be a good story to tell later on. Some video games. Starlink. I guess I can do a review on that, how that went for me. Just the Wi-Fi, the current PlayStation, and just some miscellaneous stuff. But like I said, I am in the military, so this is what I have going on. This is my Alexa, and here's my current shoe setup. It's a lot of shoes, I know, but I guess I was trying to upgrade my my wardrobe. Don't feel bad, those are two different colors, but yeah, this is what I currently have. And like I said, there's the Max 2, what we're using right now. And guys, I've never seen a dishwasher that the only options were off and on. That's, I don't know if that does it any justice, but yeah, this is Altus, Oklahoma. I'm paying about $700 in rent. This is the spare restroom, currently empty, so I'm just trying to save money, and just kind of going from there. Going down to the hallway, we've got some tools and some little knickknacks, just some toiletries, stuff that I needed. This was a present that I got for Christmas. I got that from my buddy. He wants me to go snowboarding with him. This is some of the stuff that I used to move here. PCS, what is it? Permanent Changes Station. And the same buddy that gave me those golf clubs also gave me this golf ball, or I'm sorry, not golf ball, this bowling ball, so I can go bowling. I used to go bowling, not so often as now. As you can tell, it's very, very squeaky. But moving on, this is the current setup, and this is just kind of as a reminder of where I'm coming from, and hopefully this changes in the future. You know what, it will change in the future. But I'm currently uploading a bunch of videos from there. Got my CPAP, binder from memories from someone special to me. Yeah. I'll let y'all read that one later. That's a crazy story, but this is my goals. I'm a big Porsche fan. Cool story. I got taken to a Porsche museum, and yeah, like I said, in the military, Tech Sergeant Cass. And then this is what I currently have for what is it? My walk-in closet. I didn't have one in my last place. And then these are my clothes. And here is my bathroom, the master bathroom. Things have to change, guys. I can't do this. But this is just for the record. But I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna upload this on YouTube and see how it turns out. Thank you.